Pick up this 2008 Cadillac CTS, available today at Bob Brown Chevrolet. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 37,050 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer at 866-965-5566 and get behind the wheel today.